We're here, look. Room tour. This is our bed. Ito ang room namin ni Tagi. I love the color. It's blue. What kind of blue is this? Basta siya ay blue. Parang royal blue. Aquamarine. And look at the... Wow, ang ganda naman ng pagka-paarte ng ating CR and the shower. Come together. Yan ang ating pa-shower. Shower, come together. Yan, mga auntie. Labi dito, observe cleanliness. Because it's clean. Ayan. At meron pa silang let live. Surprise you. Ay na, let life. Si auntie, surprise you. Ayan. Ganda ng pasigawan naman, mga pa-lightning don't strike. At look, nandito lang. Yung swimming pool, pag open ng ganyan, tada! Swimming pool na agad-agad. Ligo agad. Diba? Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa Alona. Ha! Si Auntie Alona. Ito na tayo sa roof. And the top. Life is a journey. And only you hold the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Alam, my blue na heart. My favorite color. Maganda palang pa-rooftop nila. At the rooftop. I wish that we could be like that. Alam ba siya? Saan ka dyan sa pa-rooftop ng Alona? Alona roof. Si Auntie Aluna B. Yay!